it's Cherissa. Welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my college dorm room essentials. Since I'm going to be a college junior in the fall, I've been living in the dorms for 2 years, so there are a couple of items that I find essential that you might not know about. So let's get right into it. You might want to grab a pen and paper because this list is actually a bit long. The first thing I find essential is a Brita water filter. It is very important to stay hydrated in college, and some of the sink and water fountain water are just very concerning. So having a Brita water filter will make sure that your water is safe and clean for drinking. Next, storage carts. I like the wide 3-drawer storage cart. There isn't a lot of storage in college, so sometimes you have to bring your own. A surge protector. Most colleges don't like extension cords, like you can't bring them at all. It's like a fire hazard, I think. With a surge protector, you can plug in multiple items and charge them at the same time. This comes in super duper handy if you have a roommate because some dorms only have 1 or 2 outlets. So convert 1 outlet into 8 outlets. Next is a can opener. This might seem super duper random, but trust me, when it's finals week and you want to make yourself a can of soup and you don't have a can opener, you do not want to be that person in the group chat asking who has a can opener. Trust me, you will thank me later. I would rather be that floor mate who has everything than that floor mate who's always asking for something. Next is a lap desk. So I know you're not supposed to do homework on your bed. I mean, at least I think some studies show that or whatever, but when it is getting late and you're trying to finish up your 5-page paper, it is nice to have a lap desk. This way your thighs won't get overheated by your computer. The lap desk is also useful if you want to have a snack on your bed. This way your food isn't just laying on your bed, and if you spill something, it will just be on your lap desk and not your nice comforter. Next is a first aid kit / medicine stash. College is very gross, so a medicine stash is essential. You gotta get some Tylenol, ibuprofen, Advil, cold and flu medicine, vitamin C. Trust me, you will get the freshman plague. Like, there's no way to avoid it unless you are taking your vitamins and have your medicine stashed. My experience in the dorm, I couldn't just get a Band-Aid like from the front desk. This might be different at your university, but like I couldn't. So just keep a first aid kit with an ice pack, bandages, what is that thing called? Neosporin, alcohol wipes if you fall down and cut your head. Fall down and cut your knee. Next is a reusable water bottle. You do not need to buy yourself a Hydro Flask. That is super duper expensive, and they are super duper loud if you drop them in the middle of class, and it scares everyone. Get yourself a reusable water bottle. That way you're not wasting so much plastic. Also, most dining halls allow you to fill up your water bottle with fresh cold ice and water. It's really important to stay hydrated around campus, especially if you're going to a school in a warm climate. You don't want to be passing out from heat stroke, so keep your water handy. Cleaning supplies. Oh my, this is super duper important, especially now. Now, if you're living in a communal style bathroom, you don't have to clean your bathroom. Good job, you lucked out. But you are going to want to clean your dorm room. College is a place full of germs. You need to be wiping down frequently touched surfaces, like your desk, your doorknob, your sink. If you're living in a suite style dorm, here's a wake-up call. They're probably not going to be cleaning your bathroom for you. So you're going to have to be responsible to clean your own bathroom. This includes toilet bowl cleaner, disinfecting wipe, and even cleaning up the hair in your shower. If you're living in a dorm with carpet, purchase a mini vacuum cleaner off of Amazon. It's like $18, super cheap, super thin. Don't get that big chunky vacuum cleaner, like you don't have space for that. If you're living in a dorm with hardwood floors, get a Swiffer sweeper. Next, shower shoes. I hope you guys all know this. If you're staying in a dorm with a communal bathroom, please do not walk into that shower without shower shoes and barefoot. First of all, that's super duper disgusting. There have been so many people in that shower and you don't know what they did in that shower. Even if you're staying in a suite style bathroom, you could be sharing that with like 6 or 4 girls or guys. That means before there were 6 or 4 guys or girls in that bathroom, the year prior, and the year prior, and the year prior. You see, so the suite bathrooms aren't that much cleaner than the communal bathrooms. Actually, I'm pretty sure the communal bathrooms are cleaner than the suite style bathrooms because the communal bathrooms get cleaned every day. And the suite style bathrooms, those would get cleaned whenever you and your roommates agree to clean them. Going off of shower shoes, house shoes. You don't want to walk into the communal bathroom with your bare feet or your socks. Please get yourself a cheap pair of house shoes. You can go to Walmart or Five Below and get them for like $5. These shoes will also come in handy for those 2 a.m. fire drills. And yes, you do not want to be running to find your white Air Force Ones. A mini steamer. Now, some people might disagree with me on this, but I don't want to walk to class in wrinkly clothes. Get a mini steamer. Not an iron board because that takes up space. Next, an umbrella. This is super duper important if you're going to school with a rainy climate. Keep your umbrella in your backpack at all times. Do not take it out of your backpack. Only when it rains, and when it's done raining, put it back. Because you do not want to ruin your new MacBook Pro that costs $1,500 because your backpack got drenched in a downpour. Next, a sleep mask. If you have a roommate, please thank me later. If your roommate is up late studying and you want to go to sleep, all you gotta do, pull down your sleep mask. That way, they can still study with some lights on and you can go to bed in the dark. This will also come in handy for those 2 p.m. naps in the afternoon. If you're in a dorm where the windows do not close, I think you would be very disappointed to have sun in your eye while you're trying to take your nap. Cheap dishes and cups. Walmart sells like 50-cent cups, bowls, and plates. Get like 4 or 5 of them. You can share them if you have a roommate as well. Just imagine it's finals week, you're up late with your friends studying, and you order pizza, but you don't have any place to eat your pizza. Next is food storage containers. Now, if you go to a university where a meal swipe gives you a plastic container where you can put your food in and leave the dining hall, then you're extra super duper lucky. If you have some leftover food from the dining hall, you can easily sneak it into your bag by scraping it into a storage container. This can be your second dinner. Also, just carry this reusable storage container around campus with you because lots of events have free food and they often have leftovers and they just throw this food at you. A heated blanket. Now this was like a lifesaver to me because my dorm was freezing. If you're in a dorm that you're able to control the AC and heat in your room, again, extra super duper lucky because not all students have this. Most universities do not allow you to have an electric heater. It's just a fire hazard, but they do not say anything about having a heated blanket. This is the perfect way to keep yourself warm during the winter months when the university just doesn't turn on the heat even though it's 20 degrees outside because it's not time yet. Oh, I'm sorry. Like, it's still 20 degrees out. Why is the AC blowing in here? A mattress topper. Dorm beds are uncomfortable. There's like no support on those mattresses. And my friend literally had a mattress this thick. Like, what is this gonna do? Like, you're practically sleeping like on the, what is that, back spring? Get yourself a mattress topper. Your back will thank you in the morning. You can get them off of Amazon, Target, super cheap. I mean, you can invest in like an expensive one, but like mine was like $30 and I sleep fine. I mean, I sleep more than fine. I sleep great in my bed. A shower caddy. If you're using a communal shower, this is a must. You do not want to be that floor mate who is rocking around with the shampoo and your shaving cream and your body wash and your loofah and your towel going to the bathroom. No, you look a little silly. Also, that can easily fall on the nasty bathroom ground. Like, ugh. Again, you don't know who's been in there. It's super gross. Also, you can use this shower caddy to make one trip to the communal bathroom. This way you can keep your toothpaste, your toothbrush, your floss, and your face wash all in the shower caddy and make one trip to the bathroom, not multiple. A printer. This might not be a necessity if your school offers free printing. Some schools don't offer free printing and it costs money to print, which I'm paying enough in tuition. My printing should be free, but that's another conversation to have with the university. But for real, if you have a paper due at 8 a.m. and it's 2 a.m. in the library and the library printer is broken, you can easily go to your dorm room and print the paper. Although the library might be open 24 hours, there might not be anyone to help you fix the printer. Fun clothing. I made this mistake freshman year and I don't know how I made this mistake. I go to school in New Orleans. Of course that is a fun city. There's literally a festival every day. Like, fun clothes should have been at the top of my packing list, but it was not. Trust me, you do not want to wear like a nice outfit to a frat party. But some frat parties also have themes, like 80s, so bring some funky clothes for that. Going off of the fun clothing and how frat parties are nasty, some old shoes. Please do not wear your new shoes to a frat party. Yes, I'm talking about those white Air Force Ones because they will be black when you walk out of that party. The floor is sticky, it's gross, and like you don't know what's on that floor. Like, there could be so much on that floor. I'll leave that up to you to decide what could be on that frat party's floor. Storage bins. Now, these can also be decoration, but like I said, colleges don't have that much storage, so it will be useful to have storage bins that also fit in with the room theme. Command strips and command hooks. This is the safest way to hang stuff on your dorm room wall. Trust me, you do not want to pay those ridiculous fines for a tiny hole this big because you ripped off the paint because you used duct tape. Don't do that. Command strips, command hooks, all the way. A long phone charger, especially if you have a lofted bed. I personally like to sleep with my phone, despite what studies say. If I keep my phone on the other side of the room, the alarm is going to keep going off. I'm not going to get up to get it. But I would rather lie down in my bed with my phone and have it charging, whereas me lying down in my bed lonely without my phone charging on the other side of the room. Like, I don't want to do that. Pepper spray. Now, I really hope you will never need this, but I also do not want you to be in a situation where you needed it and you didn't have it. If you have a night class or you were walking back from the library late at night, this is really good to have, and you can just carry it in your hand just in case someone does try to approach you. Finally, my last thing is velvet hangers. If you're like me and have a lot of clothes and cannot decide which ones to take and which ones not to take to college, this will solve your problem. Velvet hangers are thinner, so you can fit more items into your closet. Another nice thing about velvet hangers is that they're like no-slip hangers. Your nice thin shirt will not fall on the ground. It will stay on your hanger. Those are my college dorm room essentials. If you have any other essentials that I didn't mention, please leave them in the comments down below so that other students can see them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remember, stay safe, wear a mask, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye bye!